Hello, and welcome to the fascinating world of tomato seed production. Producing your own tomato seeds is a rewarding experience. It allows you to save money, preserve unique varieties, and enjoy the satisfaction of a successful harvest. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you with the knowledge to produce high-quality tomato seeds at home. Imagine the journey of a tiny seed transforming into a luscious, ripe tomato. It all starts with selecting the right tomato variety and providing the optimal growing conditions. From plump heirloom tomatoes bursting with flavor to disease-resistant hybrids, the possibilities are endless. But before we delve into the specifics, let's understand the basics. Tomato plants, scientifically known as Solanum lycopersicum, are self-pollinating. This means they possess both male and female reproductive parts within the same flower. While this simplifies the pollination process, it also emphasizes the importance of selecting healthy, disease-free parent plants to ensure the quality of your seeds. Choosing the right tomato variety is the cornerstone of successful seed production. Do you desire juicy beefsteak tomatoes for slicing, sweet cherry tomatoes for snacking, or perhaps a unique heirloom variety with a rich history? Each variety possesses its own growth habits, flavor profiles, and seed production capabilities. Once you've chosen your tomato champion, it's time to find it the perfect home. Tomatoes thrive in warm, sunny climates with well-drained soil. They prefer a slightly acidic to neutral soil pH, ideally between 6.0 and 6.8. Before sowing your seeds, ensure your soil is loose, fertile, and amended with compost or well-rotted manure to provide essential nutrients. Now that you've selected your tomato variety and prepared the ideal growing environment, it's time to sow the seeds. Tomato seeds are tiny, but they hold immense potential. Start by sowing the seeds indoors in seed trays or small pots filled with a seed starting mix. Plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and keep the soil consistently moist. Once the seedlings emerge, usually within 7 to 10 days, provide them with ample sunlight or grow lights to promote strong, healthy growth. When the seedlings have developed a few sets of true leaves and the danger of frost has passed, it's time to transplant them into their final growing location. Section 4. Maintaining a healthy crop nutrition, irrigation, and pest control. As your tomato plants grow, they will require consistent care and attention to thrive. Regular watering is crucial, especially during dry periods. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged, as excessive watering can lead to root rot and other problems. Like all plants, tomatoes require a balanced diet of nutrients to support their growth and development. Fertilize your plants regularly with a balanced fertilizer that contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These essential nutrients promote healthy foliage, strong root development, and abundant fruit production. Section 5. Harvesting, extracting, and storing your tomato seeds. The culmination of your hard work and dedication is the moment you harvest your ripe, juicy tomatoes. But the journey doesn't end there. Inside those tomatoes lie the seeds for next year's crop, ready to be extracted, dried, and stored. To extract the seeds, scoop out the pulp and seeds from a few of your best-looking tomatoes. Place the pulp and seeds in a jar or container, add a small amount of water, and cover loosely. Allow the mixture to ferment for a few days, stirring occasionally. During fermentation, a layer of mold may form on the surface. Don't worry, this is a natural part of the process. Once fermentation is complete, the good seeds will settle to the bottom, while the mold and debris will float to the top. Carefully pour off the mold and debris, then rinse the seeds thoroughly under running water. Spread the clean seeds on a paper towel or screen to dry in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Once the seeds are completely dry, store them in airtight containers or envelopes in a cool, dark, and dry place. Properly stored tomato seeds can remain viable for several years, ensuring a bountiful harvest for seasons to come.